So hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how you can join Etoro using your Apple ID. So what you're going to be needing is just go to your web browser and search for www.etoro.com on your search engine. Then you'll redirect to Etoro's website, which is this. So this is the home page of the website, as you can see. So as you want to join, you can go either on this join eToro option over here, or you can go to login option in the top right corner. So let me just choose login option. Then it will redirect you to the login option, or let's say the sign in option. So you can either go with this username or email or password if you have already logged in, or you can also use those options which say sign in with Apple, Facebook, Google. So in my case, let's say we are learning about signing in with Apple ID, so just go with sign in with Apple. Now it will ask you about your email, phone number, and just type a random one and then click on this arrow and then choose your password and then click on the arrow. So that's how you do it. In my case, I'm not having an Apple ID right now. So after you press the arrow, it will redirect you to the creating account with the name and all. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you join Etoro using Apple ID. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.